Hey, Haley. Oh, nice. Are you eating chocolate?
Mama, chocolate.
What do you want?
Mama, chocolate.
You want more chocolate?
Yeah.
Do you say please?
Please.
What do you want?
Mama, chocolate.
Want some more chocolate?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get some chocolate. Is this what you want?
Yeah.
Say please.
Please.
What do you say? Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, you're welcome, Haley. What do you think, Mace? What do you think, honey? Can you say hi? Hi, you're so cute. How was your chocolate? Was it good? No, don't let Harley eat your chocolate. You eat that. What? You ate a whole chocolate candy bar already, Haley. It's all gone. There's no more. It's all gone, honey. It's all gone. You ate it all. Do you want to see the wrapper? Look. Look. See, look. It's all gone. You ate the whole thing. Can you throw that in the trash? Okay, throw that in the trash for Mommy, please. It's all gone. You ate it all. All gone. It's all gone. Do you just want one more piece? Can you say please? All right, we'll go get one more piece, okay? Okay.